everyone. Welcome to my channel Code Gems 27 by Engineer Vasudha. I am Vasudha here. In last video at my channel, I have discussed about print statement in Python. So today we are going to learn a new topic. Next topic, that is data variables in Python. So this will be the topic for today to discuss. What is a variable? Variable. Variable is a container is like a container to store data. Okay, so first of all I will give you one example related to real life. Suppose you are going to market, so what will you do there? So you buy things, right? Suppose you have bought a box of or a container of cookies. Okay, you bring that home, you just had all the cookies. Suppose now that container is reusable. So normally what people do is people fill something else in that container and reuse that container, right? The same things happen in variables. Variables are the like a container to store the data. Data here can be any value. It can be like numbers, characters, group of characters, or like floating point numbers as well, decimal numbers. Okay, so any kind of data you can store in variables. So when you store any kind of value among these, that is called as data, and when you store the data in some container type thing, that will be called as a variable. Okay, now variables name, like how you will identify that a variable name. So you specify the variable name. Now you can't take anything variable name. Variable names is having some role to decide. Okay, so first of all I will make everything is comment here, then I will show you what variable names you can take. Okay, like suppose I want to store my name in a variable, so I can take a name, then I will, since my name is a group of characters, so every time in Python when you have to take a value with characters, group of characters, or a single character as well, it can have alphabets, it can have numbers, it can have special symbols like dollar, at the rate, any kind of symbol. Okay, so when you want to store this kind of data, basically this will be called as a string. Whenever you take anything in double quotation or single quotation, then in Python it is called as string. Okay, so now here this name is a variable, or you can say variable name, which is having the value Vasudha over here. Okay, so equals to symbol will specify that you are storing this value into this variable. Okay, second, if you want to store a number, then you can take num as a variable name, and suppose I want to save a value 12. So since 12 is a number, so it is a integer value. Okay, then again I want to store some number, I can take num2 is equals to 34.56. So here I have taken decimal number. In programming language we call them as floating point numbers. Okay, next, these are the variable names, name, num, num2. In place of num2 you can take like num underscore 2. In place of num you can take number as well, you can take n only. Okay, so these all are allowed. So now you can say underscore I have taken over here. So yes, underscore you can take in your variable number, variable name. Okay, so you can say variable name can contain alphabets, numbers, or symbols like underscore, or dollar. Okay, but normally we just avoid these kind of symbols. Now underscore is allowed, and underscore is getting mostly then used if you want to put multiple values or multiple you can say the names over here, combination of words, then you can use underscore for participation, because you can't write num space 2. No, that is not allowed. That is not a variable name. Variable name should be connected completely, so you should use underscore between the two words. Like suppose I want to take a variable name my name, so I can't take my name with a space. Either you have to join them without space, or you can put underscore over there, or you can put a dollar over here. Okay, but in place of dollar we prefer to use underscore because it makes readable things. Okay, so variable names are like can contain alphabets, number, or symbols like dollar or underscore. And yes, variable name always should be started with a letter, means alphabet, or underscore. You can't put a number. You can't start a variable name with a number. Like if you put 2 num, that's wrong. That's not correct. Okay, that's wrong. You can use num2. Num2 is fine, but you can't take 2 num. Okay, but in place of 2 num, you can take underscore over there. Then it is fine. Then it's correctly fine. Okay, so these are some rules to declare the variable name. So variable name can be started with a alphabet or underscore only, and yes, it can contain number or special symbol like dollar and underscore in between or at the end. Okay, but in not in starting, you can start with a dollar or a number. Understood? And yes, Python variable names are case sensitive, means if you take capital A and small a, so both are different. Okay, they are different variable names. These are not same variables. Okay, so case sensitive it is. So capital letter and small letter will be having different variables, not the same. Okay, so this is all about the, a little bit knowledge about the variables, like what type of variable names you can take and what is a variable. Now, what kind of values we can store and all, I will discuss them in next lecture. So just like, comment and subscribe to my channel for next videos. Thank you so much, guys.